If you're going to visit China, make sure you take at least one train. China has been laying down 10,000 kilometers of new track each year. 1/3 of it for high-speed trains. It seems like every time you turn around, they've built a new station. Some of them in as little as 6 weeks. No matter what the weather or pollution levels. The trains are up and running before construction is even finished. Buses and taxis deliver passengers to a nearby dirt lot. They then have to find their own way in. High-speed trains have their own stations, where bathrooms are beautiful and very clean. There's always a place to sit, and all the rooms are air-conditioned. Even the hot water comes in a high-end machine. Though no matter how fancy the service, everyone still has to go through an X-ray machine. Once on board, the seats are wide and comfortable, with a well-stocked cafe, Western toilets, and best of all, they go over 180 miles per hour. But China is enormous. Even at that speed, your trip could take a while. If you're going a long way, look into the sleeper train. The top bunk is the cheapest and the least popular. That's because you have to store your gear in the upper racks and your shoes on the floor below. There isn't a lot of headroom, nor are the bunks particularly long. I'm only 5'6". Just a few feet away is the smoking place. The bottom bunk is more comfortable, but you have to share it during the day. Over time, you get to know your fellow passengers. Hunt down the last working hot water dispenser. Make friends with the food cart vendor. And find those few garbage bins that aren't already full. No matter where you sleep, get up early. From 6 to 9 a.m., the toilets and sinks are in high demand. The Chinese have learned not to see each other, even when they're inches apart. When a passenger gets off, the staff come through and fold the blankets. Though they don't change the sheets. At last,